Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to delete your Shopify store. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply go to plan, and then here you should see your current plan. So what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then simply click on deactivate store, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click again on deactivate store, and then simply select the reason and then simply click on continue, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your Shopify password and click on deactivate store, and basically this will delete your Shopify store. Now keep in mind that you're gonna have 30 days to get back your account, so in case you change your mind you can simply get it back by simply logging into your account. But if you want to completely delete it, just don't log in into your account anymore for 30 days, and basically that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.